My name is Sohail Zabihi from XT, Head of Partnerships. I've been in the crypto space for 4 years roughly. Before that CFI, and while I was in crypto I was guiding projects from inception to TGE. And with XT.com we are a globally recognized exchange with over 5 million users. 2021 we successfully hit that amount, and our roadmap has been evolving very, very well from 2018 to now, and we have successfully launched a slew of products, futures, perpetuals, and opened up different offices internationally and scaled significantly in our base. So yeah, we're looking to come here to different events and present all that we have going on. So yeah, that's.
So your tagline is the world's first social-infused exchange. What does that mean?
So that basically indicates our partnership with BTalk. It's a blockchain social media app, which is kind of like a Web3 platform where people can kind of do social trading. So it's basically connected directly to XT's trading platform, and it's a very popular app, mostly in Eastern regions. So that's kind of how we get this socially infused, you can say, name.
So how exactly does that work then? Like, just a little bit more detail on it.
So basically you can, basically if you want to think of Telegram and how you use Telegram and how you have different groups there, you could compare it to this situation and just make some special groups, see what your tips and suggestions, and have that social media kind of aspect in terms of instant messaging, and you can relay so many things there, and that will be connected. So you'll have widgets there that will connect to the trading platform, and that will be XT's trading platform connected directly to that, the chat.
So what sort of widgets could you use there?
So you're essentially using the trade options, and then when you click and you specify on the XT platform, that will automatically just come up, and you will get real-time analysis, real-time market information, which is a very good tool to have, because you can integrate so much global information, data into that. Your decisions, and you can collaborate with your friends to see what's a good time and entry point, exit point, which is the most crucial thing when you're trading.
Yeah, so that's really interesting. I mean, I'm in a few sort of Telegram and WhatsApp groups in a similar way.
Sure.
And yeah, pretty much it's like screenshotting things all the time, and like do a screenshot from Binance or whatever, and then send it to your friends. So you're kind of eliminating the need for that.
Yes. It's a very it's very handy to have. You could definitely make more use of your social network, especially if depends how strong your friends are. If you have useless friends, then I don't know if it's a good idea. But in all seriousness, maybe I think the power of 10, 20 great minds is always collectively more useful. At different times. Yeah.
So what are your thoughts on the current state of the market then? It's an interesting time.
Very interesting time to be at Blockdown conference, where we're actually sponsoring this show. Sponsors, we're very excited to be here, and even though there's a current market crisis, you could say, I think it's very good to keep into perspective that it's exactly what it is. It's a cycle. I believe this doesn't overshadow the developments and the evolution of Web3, Metaverse, and all the things that we have in the roadmap. And as XT, we're still going forward and developing and innovating, and our users are looking for more products, and we're successfully doing that. And I believe in due time, cycles happen. And yeah, it is exactly that.
So you've got your own token for the platform as well,
Correct.
the XT token.
Correct.
So how is that the same as kind of? Is there any? Do you build on that in any way? What's the purpose of the token?
So the token is a very good token. So we use it a lot in our perpetual contracts. For example, we have a Quanto contract, Ethereum XT. So there's utility in terms of governance. There's a lot of our staking mechanisms have that incorporated, but it is a ERC20, and we are migrating it to our our own chain. So XT has its own blockchain, and we've successfully deployed that, and that was one of the points of announcements that I had for this conference. So that will be a very, very exciting phase for us.
Oh, brilliant. So is it a fork of another chain, or have you built from the ground? Or
It's EVM-compatible, and we are putting our NFT marketplace there. So we're calling all artists to, for collaboration. That should be a very exciting phase. Our NFT marketplace is also developed there. So we're looking to, be a birthplace of innovation.
Okay, brilliant. What made you decide to move to your own chain? It's a big undertaking. There's a lot to manage there.
Definitely, it is. It's a huge step for us, and something that we're very proud of. I think that the things that we're looking to do is not everyday things. I think we're looking to do a lot of groundbreaking stuff. The NFTs, it's got his own marketplace which will be fascinating. Another aspect that we're looking at is we're in talks to integrate some decentralized credit card payment system. So that could be very, very beneficial, and a slew of other things that would provide value for projects and users. And yeah, it will ultimately be a very, very impactful project for us and the marketplace in general.
So do you currently have any other projects looking to build on your blockchain, or is that something to come?
Yes, it's something we're looking out for. As I said, there are some projects that we were in touch with, and we're currently it's an ongoing process, and there are. Currently, we're in a selection phase of some projects that would integrate as dApps onto our platform. Mm-hmm. So that's something that we hope to consistently be on the lookout for, and we will constantly make announcements on that.
Okay, brilliant. So where will people see those announcements?
Sure. So we have a Telegram page. On our Telegram page, we have a global Telegram page, we have an English-speaking Telegram page, and if you have a language of preference, you can find that community on Telegram. Our social media is also very active on Twitter, and I would suggest those are the two best mechanisms for seeking announcements from XT, and I highly advise your audience to definitely keep an eye out, because XT will be a very, very, we will grow this name significantly in the years to come.
So you say you're based in Dubai, so is that where a lot of your users are, or are they global? Where the majority, I guess? So
great point, actually. That's one of the very strong points that we have, that we are based in an area that is becoming a huge crypto hub, and innovation is stifling from that area. And we are at a center point, and that's what is helping us connect to so many different projects that add value to our brand. So that is something that we moved in 2022, the beginning of the year. So we are using that base and also applying for licenses and provisions within the UAE, which is becoming an amazing crypto hub. Many events, many companies have settled in Dubai.
Brilliant. So you already mentioned that launching your own blockchain has been an announcement. Is there anything else you'd like to plug or say before we go?
Sure. So I'd like to just say that we're always adding very, very cool niche projects onto our exchange. So we have a total of 500 listings. and in this week we listed a lot of cool projects. I presented EGX today, and also we listed Galaxy. We have a lot of projects that are listing, and those projects are always great investment opportunities. And same with our saving and staking mechanisms. So yeah, in a general, it's yeah, we have a lot to come, and that would be something that they could always keep an eye out. We will regularly announce. Yeah.
So it's xt.com.
xt.com, yes, and the social media pages are there also.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.